Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can create GroupMe account on your device. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. In order to create a GroupMe account, first thing you need to install the application. For that, open up your Play Store and on the search box type in GroupMe. Once the app is completely installed, click on open. So you'll be taken to the login and sign up interface. If you already have an account, then click on login and enter in your login credential in order to sign in into your account. And if you don't have an account, click on sign up, which is right at the bottom. On this page, you'll be able to select the method of creating your account. You can either create your account using your Google account or your Facebook or an email address. So then select the method whichever is convenient for you. For now, I'm going to go with the email address. Now you'll begin with creation of your account. So first thing, you need to provide your first name and then your email address and create a password. After you're done entering your information, click on this terms and condition or check mark on this box and make sure to check mark on this box. Once you have done this, click on create account, which is right at the bottom. You'll be asked if you want to sync your contact or not. If you want to do that, then just click on use this number, or if you have a different phone number, then click on the other option, that is verify a different phone number, and you will need to send the text in order to verify your phone number. So just click on this arrow icon. In case if you're unable to verify your phone number, then you can simply click on the option that is preferred to have us text you instant. Just click on it. Now enter in your country's code and then enter in the phone number that you want to link and click on the stick icon in the top right. As you can see that I received the verification code. Now copy this and enter it right over here and click on verify. Go on tapping on this arrow icon, or you can just go through this, or you can simply click on skip. So first of all, you need to enter in the name, and after that you can also give a description. In case if you want to add a profile picture, then click on this set avatar and then click on allow, and you can select the picture from your gallery. Once you're done with this process, click on the tick icon in the top right. In case if you want to add a member, then you'll need to type in their name. If you want to add a member to your GroupMe account, then you can type in their email address, phone number, or the name, and then you'll be able to add them. For now, just click on skip. And you also have to go through this advanced settings. You can see there are a list of options. You can go through it and you can make changes right over here and then click on skip. And as you can see that you've successfully created a GroupMe account. So in this way you can create a GroupMe account on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also make sure to comment down below. Thank you for watching.